Hello and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Ever wonder which towel is better, terry cloth or microfiber? Honestly, they both have their strengths and I use both every single day in my kitchen.
Terry Cloth towels.
Terry cloth is just one of those everyday kitchen go-tos. It soaks things up, feels good to use, and holds up after tons of washes. Grab a terry cloth towel when you're drying pots, pans, or a stack of dishes. They handle all the leftover water without making a big deal out of it.
Microfiber towels.
Microfiber is the go-to for smooth surfaces. It absorbs faster than terry and leaves stainless countertops, knives, and glassware clean with no streaks or lint. It also dries quickly and barely takes up space. Use microfiber for counters, appliances, glassware, and anything stainless. It keeps everything spotless with almost no effort. The best part? Both terry cloth and microfiber towels are budget friendly, so keep a mix in your kitchen. Won't break the bank. So here's the thing. Why choose? Terry cloth is amazing for everyday uses, and microfiber is unbeatable for absorbency, quick cleanups, and good shine. I keep both in my kitchen, and honestly, it makes my life so much easier. Which one do you use? Or do you mix it up like me? Have fun cooking.